I think. Yeah, great. Our first scenario A was come up with a minimum set of weights so that you can vend out all the integer weights from 1 kg to 100 kg. And Mr. Kenny himself came up with this number, and all of you are very smart kids, so you also came up with that solution, right? 7 weights with values 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and 64 are able to give us the all the weights. Fine. Now it just happens that this shop is just opposite the across the road from the pharmacy, and we have met Mr. Parab. I believe it was Parab only, right? And his smart assistant, Miss Medha, right? So now she happens to be picking up groceries at Kenny's shop, okay, and where he tells us, oh, this is what was my problem, and then I came up with this, and I'm able to do all of these weights, okay. So now Medha is a very smart girl, okay, so she looks at the balance, she starts thinking, she looks at how he weighs them, etc., right? Then something strikes her, and then she says, oh, there is a better way, and you can do it with a smaller number of weight blocks, right? With a smaller number, then you have come up with 7, I can do it with less, okay. And she goes ahead and then explains it. So now you guys put it on the chat. What do you think? Do you think it is possible to do it with less number? And if it is possible, what is the way, and what are the weights that she came up with? If you want, you can directly private message to me. That is okay. Till the time everybody sends it in. After that, I will make it public anyway. So type in. So scenario B. Hey, hi Avnish. I hope you have done the puzzles, and we are discussing scenario B now.
Yes, sir. I'm not understanding this problem, sir. Like he's asked,
Yeah.
like
Yeah. Go ahead.
like he's asked, like they're asking that can you make it to 100 with lesser blocks?
Yeah, can you make all the weights 1 to 100? See, what is your intention? Your intention is to give away the commodity. People will come for rice, rava, poha, whatever, geho, right? Whatever, wheat and flour and whatever it is. Now you have to be able to. Some people will want 1, some people want 12, some people want 7, some people want 56, whatever it is. So you should be able to exactly weigh the right amount and be able to give them what they need it. And the range is from 1 kg to 100 kg. Okay, all the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 integer numbers, all the way the 100 numbers, which is from 1 to 100. That much you should be able to weigh accurately and give them. Now for that, you have got this. What is the how you will weight? You have got this weighing machine like a balance. Okay, so and the weights, you have seen this. I don't have to explain this. So using this, you have to do it. And what is the minimum number of weight blocks? The question is actually same as in scenario A. Okay, I am only saying that scenario A, all of you got it. But what Medha comes and thinks is that, oh, I can do it with less than 7 number of weight blocks. All of you came up with 7. Is that the minimum? Can you do it with less?
No, it's technically possible to do it with just one block if you wait again and again and again.
Yeah, but that is like that is not the solution that we are looking for, right? You will have to do it so many times. That is not in one weighing. You should be able to do it. One weighing.
Yeah, so even I thought of that. Like, just take 2 blocks, 101, and then either subtract from 100 or add like 1 plus 1, and how many. No,
So I think your idea is correct, Madhura. But can you develop that idea? Can you actually, you have got a spark correct? But can you make it thing? What is the set of weights that you need? I can do it with 5 weight blocks.
So of the binary.
You check it and you tell what is which binary. Binary first scenario you already gave the binary power series, right? Which ones you want it? I mean, I'm okay. Whatever. I'm not saying binary, trinary, whichever one. I'm saying you tell the weights of the block and then you show how you can do it. How many you need?
So
Can you do you need?
so
Yeah.
1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 and 32.
With that, you will not be able to give 65 kgs,
Okay, sir.
right? With up to 32, you can give up to 63 kgs. You will be able to give it. 64 kgs, you will have to wait 2 times. Okay. Madhura is saying 1, 25, 50, 75, 100. Okay, Madhura, with these, how will you give in single weighing? How will you give 5 kg? Right, single weighing. I'm not saying. See, somebody said that okay, I will if I want 10 kg, I will put 1 kg and do it 10 times. No, that is not the solution that we are looking for, right? We are not. We are looking at it in a single weighing thing. You should be able to give it. Okay. But there is one key insight, Madhura. I think you talked about it, but I'm not sure whether you realized it. That's why I'm saying there is a spark, but I don't know whether you have noticed the spark and anyone else has noticed it. Madhura, can you tell us just again what did you say? What did you think of for the scenario B? You said something. The sentence, you please say it again.
Yeah, sir, he can take 2 blocks of 100 and 1 and then either subtract from 100 or add.
That
Like
subtract
one
or
should be
add is the
added.
key thing. Subtract or add is the key thing. How do you do subtract or add in the weights or in the weighing scale?
You add
Place
from the
blocks
other
on
side.
both the side, right?
I hope you have seen
Oh.
and you have noticed this at the shopkeeper. Sometimes when let us say, and this is more apparent when you are trying to get like some fraction kg. So you want to take, let us say you are buying mangoes and they are not exactly 2 kg. They are slightly less. Then what he will do is he will put 2 kg on one side and the other side he will add some 100 gram, 200 gram to make it and 2 kg equal, and then they'll say, oh, you got 1.8 kg, and that's why then he will give you what is the cost of that, right? He does that. Have you seen it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Has everyone seen it? Everyone understand this, or if someone has not seen this only in the digital age and next generation, and oh, I don't know, I don't do anything other than digital scales. Ahan, you have seen this? Especially fruits guys, you will see it.
Yes, sir.
Great. So now with that, does it strike you something? Do you get a series? It is a series just like the power series 1, 2, 4, 8, but it is a slightly different series, and that combined with this, what I said, allows you to do all the weights from 1 to 100 with less than 7 weight blocks. Can you think? If you think a little bit, you will get it. It is because it is very close to what you have got already. Ashish,
Yes, sir.
this thing is clear, right? What I explained is clear.
Yes, sir. I'm understanding.
Okay. So can you think of a series? Avanish, I hope you got it.
Is it like cubes? Like
Ah. So go ahead, tell. Something
yes, sir, I'm finding it.
is actually not cubes, but go ahead. Something maybe I think you may be meaning what I say. You may be getting it, but you put it. What is that thing?
Sir, 1, 2, 8, 32. And
1, 2, 8, 32. Okay, but with this now 1 and 2, you will be able to go up to 3. Then how do you get 4? 4 you will not be able to get it. 5 I know you will be able to get it because 8 minus 2 minus 1 is 5. 8 minus 2 is 6. 8 minus 1 is 7 and then 8. Then you will be able to go up to 9, 10, 11. How do you do 12 again? I think there will be gaps, right? 12 you will not be able to do. 4 you are not able to do. 12 you are not able to do. 13 I'm not sure because 8 and then 32 when you go, it is not. Yeah, no, and with this you are getting 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and 64. No. I think Sai, no. The moment you go 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, you obviously need one more. And whether you take it as 64 or you will have to take it as 64, and that is still 7.
No, sir, I'm not doing it like that.
Uh-uh.
So then I took 100. So if I want 99, I do 100 minus 1, then 100 minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. And then I reach 50 from both sides, from minusing and from adding.
Yeah, but can you do that? Okay, okay, but yeah, got it what you are saying. And but with that you are still hitting. You are still hitting
7 numbers.
7 numbers. But it's a good idea. Huh? Think from the other side. Good idea. Is it possible? Is it something? Somebody is getting some clue. Avnish, you were saying something or no?
No, sir, I'm still trying.
Okay, so we'll give one more minute, and you think it is very close to what you have got, but it is a similar but a different series. Now you should be able to get it. I have given so much clue. It is close to the binary series or the power series. It is a series, and it's a well, what do you call it? There is a rule-based series. Okay. It is not some arbitrary number somewhere, some jumping. It is all a proper series. Okay. Anyone, give what is the best series that comes to my mind. I'm going to tell the answer now. Anyone got any?
I think it's like you take the 2 table, but then you make holes in it. I mean, 2 power table, and then you just remove certain numbers.
Yeah, but so what are the numbers and how many?
So I know you can remove 4.
We could use 1 to 3 and 4. That makes the 1 to 9 completely.
Yeah, but then you have already used 4 blocks, and you have got only up to.
You can remove the 4. You can do 1 to 8 and still achieve everything from 1 to 16. I mean 1 to 15.
Yeah, but your aim is to achieve up to 100.
Yes.
Okay, how about this? I'm going to give it. How is that?
3 power table.
Just think about it. Can you generate?
I'm doing that.
Now, how do you attain 7?
9 plus 1 minus 3. 9 and 1 on one side and 3 on the other side.
Yes, sir, it works.
It works, right? Just as long as you are doing adding and subtracting on one or the other number, sometimes both numbers are subtracting. Whichever combination you do it, you will be able to get it, right? You can just 9 plus 3. I think you have got it up to 13. You would have got it how to do it. 14 is 27 minus 13 is 14. right? So you have got up to 13, then put all those 13 on one side, and the other side you put it to 27, then you will get it 27 minus 13, you will get it 14. And then because you have got all the way up to 1 to 13, so you can put it on the other side of the 27 and you will get it 30, 27 minus 13, 27 minus 12, 27 minus 11, all the way up to 27 minus 1, right? Then you got 27 itself. And then you go 27 plus 13 also, you'll be able to get it up to 40. To do 41, what you have to do? 81 minus 40 is 41. So all the way up to 40, whatever you have got it, now put it on one side and put the other side 81. So you have got 41. And then you can keep moving it from 41 to 42, 43, 44, all the way up to 81. And beyond, from 81, you can go plus to further another 40. So you can go actually using these 5 numbers, you can go up to 121. Got it?
Sir, what do you do if I want 52?
Yeah, 52. How will you get it? You can do it with 1, 3, 9, and 27. You can do it. I have given you the clue. And the clue is very simple. It is what? It is the number above 40. So it will be coming as a subtraction from 81. Acha, you will require, you will require 81 also. You will require 5 8s, but how to get it? 52. 52 is 81 minus how much? 29.
So 30 something.
81 minus 29, correct? Is 52.
Yes, sir.
So one side you will put 81, other side you want 29. How will you put 29 on the other side?
So 27 plus 3, 1 minus 3.
Yeah, so you will put 27 and 3 on one side, that is 30. In the other side you will put 81 and 1, 52. So 52 minus 30 will give you, sorry, 82, 81 plus 1 on the one side and 27 and 3 on the other side, right? So 82 minus 30 is 52. Got it? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Amazing.
Yes, sir.
Amazing, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Ashish,
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Pranav, Ahan, everybody got it? Avnish? Cool. So
Yes,
this,
sir.
yeah, so this is actually, so you can do a lot. So that's why these series are very, very interesting. Okay. You keep thinking about it. See, it is like you require some more time. Actually, I think maybe you guys are, I used to have a lot of time when I was kid, nothing much to do, and there were no mobile phones, no TV. I did not have anything. So a lot of time I used to keep walking in the woods, walking in the, not jungle, but whatever. I used to go on the mountain. And I used to keep thinking about numbers and various series and all. So all of these things, actually, I came up with this, this puzzle. I have made it now, but these kind of things, I used to do it in my kid, maybe 7th, 8th standard or whatever it is. Oh, you walk around your house. Yeah, and especially with COVID and all. But yeah, I think. But yeah, it is fun. So there is a whole lot of, there are so many. Once I was telling you about the number series, right? There was a whole lot of number series and each one of them has got a unique property. You have to keep thinking about it and then you will get it. Okay. And you can also read up, and that is good. Multiples of the 4 work. Why don't you take this as an exercise? You come up with a puzzle. Okay, this is the reverse thing. Okay, you have got an answer. So now the answer is given. You have to find the question. Okay, so very, very interesting. So let us do this next week. Okay, everyone, try to come up with a question whose answer is the series 1, 4, 16, 64, and 256. Okay, 1 into 4, 4, 4 into 4, 16 into 4, 64 into 4, 256 into 4 is 1024, into 4 is 4096, if in case you want it. But just try to come up with a good puzzle whose answer is this. Okay, that is the homework. All right. Excellent. So now let us go to the actual. So this was like the setting the stage. Now let us look at the puzzle, actual puzzle that is there. Okay. So this puzzle is very simple. Gloria, a young lady, so wherever it is, she's going to California. She wants to rent a hotel room for a week, right? And the clerk, hotel desk, asks for advance. ask for advance, she does not have money. She has come for some work and she will get money at the end of the week. Okay, but she does not have advance. So clerk says, sorry, you will have to pay in advance only, and then only you can stay. Now what she says is, oh, I have this bracelet. Okay, it's a golden bracelet with maybe 7 links. Okay, can you see this bracelet opened up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 links. And she says that, oh, this has got gold in it, and every link is worth, say, 2,000 rupees, whatever it is. You forget the actual amount that is there, $20, but you can consider it whatever. Okay, and she says that I will give you the link in lieu. It is like a deposit. Okay, I will give you the link, and I will that link you can keep it for against my outstanding, right? And so first day I have to give you 1 link, second day I have to give you 2 links, whatever it is, right? So every day, basically till the week is over, you need to give that many links to the hotel clerk out of the 7 that you have, right? So this is the thing. Now now cutting the thing, it requires, you can't just cut it with your hand, right? I mean, it has to be done precision, so it has to be done with a goldsmith, right? So there is a goldsmith next to it, next to the hotel. He can cut it, but he will charge obviously, right? Whatever it is, some 100 rupees or whatever it is, he will charge something for his work. Now what is the minimum cuts that you will do? Okay, what is the minimum cuts that you will do, so that you can stay for the entire week using your cuff links or bracelet links. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the links you should be able to give it, and not more than that. So you don't want to pay extra to the goldsmith also, right? Yeah, Madhura has given me some answer, and which is also explained there, right? So actually the main question is also explained there. How? So she comes up with a number which is 3. Okay, just 3 cuts you have to do it. Actually, is it how many? Is it 3 cuts or it is how many? Think how many cuts will be required. Madhura, you can do better than that.
So how do we do, how many links are there?
Total 7 links. Can you see the third figure here? Third figure here from the top, the third figure here where she is showing how the links are there. Can you see? I hope you imagine, you have to get the right imagination of the bracelet links, right? How they are interwoven each other. How they are interwoven each other, right? They are all linked like a thing, and you can make the moment you make a cut anywhere, you will be able to take it out, right? 1 cut is enough for you to take it out, right? So how many cuts are required?
So
Yeah.
what if we give the entire all the links in advance the first day only?
Then the clerk might go home with the links, and the next work clerk will come in, and he will not be seen for the next week. So he might just go off. So you don't want to give him anything extra. You just want to give him enough for the covering, right? The second answer is, don't be lazy with mathematics. So how many are required? See, the answer is actually given, okay? With just a single cut, you can do it. Just with 1 cut. Can you? Madhura, you should be able to imagine this very well. I think you should be very familiar with links and bracelets, right? Generally. No? How to cut it, where to. So just 1 cut. See, can you see the last picture that is there? Just with 1 cut, you are able to get 1 link, 2 links, and 4 links out of the 7 link chain. right? How the trick is very simple, right? From one side you
Does
count
she
one.
fold the bracelet and cut it?
Sorry.
Does she fold the bracelet and then cut
No,
it?
no, no. She does not fold. See, imagine. So there are 7 links, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The third link you cut it. Okay. Just give one cut on the third link. Okay, and take it out completely. With the when the link is cut, you will be able to take out both the sides. You will be able to take it out. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. One side will have 2
Yeah.
links. Other side will have 4 links, and the one what has come out, that will be only a single link. Is it not?
Yeah.
So with one cut, you have got one side, there is a 2 links, one side there are 4 links, and one you have got a 1. Now that you have got
So
1, 2,
what-
and 4,
for that,
you will be able to give, right? You will be
for
able
that,
to,
don't we need 2 cut?
sorry?
So for that, don't we need 2 cuts?
No,
Or
just
1, 2, and 4?
think about it. Just think
Yeah.
about it. Just think, look at a bracelet or a ring of rings and think you just need one cut. You just need one cut to make it 3 pieces. You don't need 2 cuts. Look at it carefully. Maybe physically you go and look at it, because once you cut it, you will be able to take out the other piece. You can other 2 pieces using that cut. Right? Do look at it.
You did not explain that in one cut, all the beads could be taken out. So,
No, I'm not saying all can be taken out. Using one cut, you can get 3 parts of the bracelet. One is with 4 rings, one is with 2 rings, and one is with 1 ring. Can you get it? 1, 2, and 4. Okay. Now using this, she can always give to the hotel. First day she will give the 1 link only. Okay. Second day she will ask him to give back the first link and give him the 2 link piece, so that the deposit is worth 2 days. Okay. Third day she will say, okay, you have already got 2 links, take this 1 link also, and that is my third day. So now you have got deposit for 3 days, right? Fourth day she says, oh, give me all those 2 pieces back. I will give you this 4 link piece, so that it is worth 4 days. Fifth day, what she will do? She will give one of those, the single link. 4 plus 1 is 5. So she says, keep this. Sixth day, give that one single one back. You keep the 4 one, and I will give you this 2 link back. So 4 plus 2, 6. And then finally 7th day, she says, you keep all of these things. I'm going to get my pay today. So you keep it right now. Evening, I will come with my pay. I will give you all the hotel rent, and I will take back my links. And to put it back also, she just need one joining. One cutting she needed, and now to put it back, she needs only one joining. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Right? Beautiful, isn't it? So this was all explained. Now your problem for the next week is, can you generalize this? Because we are all mathematicians, right? Mathematics means we are not solving one particular problem. We want to be able to solve similar problems. So if Gloria had a chain of 63 gold links, okay, and she wanted to use the same method of cutting and using it in some way so that he can give as a deposit for the bracelet, to pay for 63 days individually, one by one, right, instead of 7. She starts with a maybe it is not a bracelet anymore, maybe it is a thing. Yeah, but the question is not yeah, Sai Pranav. So that is where cuts is the thing. How many cuts, minimum cuts are needed? Okay, minimum cuts are how many are needed? 5 are too much. 5, anybody will be able to do it.
So 3 cuts, sir.
How 3 cuts? Yeah. So I think you don't have to tell me right now, but explain it out, put it down, and if you think you can do it, you can private message to me. But you will have to tell me how and where you will make the cut, so that you will get the required parts, and then using those parts, how can you make all the numbers from 1 to 63? To make it, I think you have got, I think all of you know now that the numbers that are required is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. With this, you can make all the numbers up to 63, and that's for. Now, how do you make these pieces out of the original one with minimum number of cuts? That is the question. You can do it with 5 cuts. Anybody can do it. Can you do it with 4? Can you do it with 3? Can you do it with 2? I don't think. I don't know. Maybe. But so that is the question. Okay.
4, sir. 4 cuts.
I don't give the solution right now.